Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the first day of my life make the tutorials. I'm so nervous and I would like to share with you guys my journey to solve 1,000 of the Leetcode questions. And this is the first questions. The valid parentheses. They give us a string containing just parentheses and they want us to check the string is valid or not, and the string is valid when its open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets, and the open brackets must be closed in correct order. So my solution is I will create a stack, and in my stack I store the open brackets first, like the round brackets and the square brackets, also the curly brackets. So when I store them, and when I check with the closed brackets, I will pop this if it is the curly brackets, and if it not, I say that I will return false because it do not in order. So that is my solution. And first of all, I want to get the library collections, import the oh sorry from collection, import deck. So I create a stock deck. First of all, I need to check it in the for loop to get it in the loop. So like I said, if the si in the index I check it if it's equal the square one, the round brackets, or it is a square brackets, or it is a curly brackets. I would say I will import in my stock. I will store them in my stock. If they are not, I will check like if the length of my stock is empty. I will say it is not the correct answer, false, and I may store the current no the end of the this thing the end of the last one in my stack, because like the stock is they serve in order. The one who go first will serve them later, last one. So therefore I need to check this thing first. I need to store it in the variable. So therefore I say stock pop, but I store it in the temporary variable. I will check it if my stem is the open bracket, but the current variable I working on is not a close one. That means I can say it's wrong. so I return false. And I say if this my thing, I predict my work, like if it not a square one, I mean it also not a true, not a right, it's not right. And on the other hand, I would say the same thing. So therefore I also can return false. And with those check, and after the for loop, and the length of my stock is still over there, it have something inside. It means it cannot destroy everything, because like I said, I will check them in order. So first I check if it's the same, I will pop this, and then if it appear one thing like this, I will store them in this place. And when I destroy all the thing, but the length of my stack still have the number the parentheses inside, it means they did not destroy all of them. So therefore I can say this is not valid. So after all, I can return true. Let's check my solution. Lane stuck is up. I forgot to say if my lane stuck. Oh, nice day. It's the good start. Accepted. I hope that you guys can enjoy my videos, and hope you like it. Thank you so much.